I'm bored. Are you bored? I'm so bored, I don't even want to talk about it.
Arrrrrrrr. But it's Talk Like a Pirate Day.
What? Talk like a pirate day? Waffle, you're a scurvy dog. I know what we're going to do today. Ahoy, mateys! You've made magnetic slime. You've blown up some citrus fruit. You've tie-dyed your dog's wardrobe. But now, it be September 19th, International Talk Like a Pirate Day. Today, we'll be sailing the 7 seas to learn about water density. We'll be making our own compass to hunt for doubloons. And then we'll be making a treasure map so that we can hide those doubloons from the scallywags what might steal it.
I say we sink our treasure to the bottom of Davy Bones' locker.
Well, maybe. Does pirate treasure sink or float?
Let's find out. First, we have to talk about density. What is density? Well, everything is made up of smaller pieces called molecules. Everything. From a great big rock to a teeny tiny feather. The term density describes the mass and size of those molecules and how closely packed together they are. It's like this. Imagine a glass of water. Water has a density of 1 gram per cubic centimeter, so it's kind of the perfect middle ground. Not too full of molecules like a heavy piece of metal, but not too empty either like the air in a balloon. Now imagine you pour a cup of vegetable oil right into your glass of water. That oil would rise to the top, sitting above the water because the oil has a density of 0.91 grams per cubic centimeter. That means it's a little bit lighter, so it floats. Want to add another layer? Pour some honey into the same cup, right onto the water and oil. Your honey will slowly drip through both of them because honey has a density of 1.42 grams per cubic centimeters. That's heavier than oil. It's heavier than water, and it sinks right to the bottom. Like this. Water, our perfect middle ground. Oil, just a little bit less dense, so it floats to the top. And honey, packed with sweet-tasting molecules, sinking their way to the bottom. Look at those layers. That's because of density.
So, will our treasure sink or float? Let's find a solution to the problem. First, you're going to need 4 clear glasses or jars. Then, you're going to need salt, sugar, baking soda, and water.
A solution is a type of mixture where one substance is completely dissolved into another. So, if we mix salt into water until it dissolves, we get a saltwater solution. Each of our jars contain a different solution, and each solution has a different density. Water. Here's our middle ground again, and at 1 gram per cubic centimeter, both our doubloons and our gems sink right to the bottom. Sugar. Our sugar solution is a little more dense, and our treasure kind of hovers in the middle. Baking soda. Baking soda adds to our density equation, but salt. Salt water in the ocean is 1.03 grams per cubic centimeter, and this concentration helps keep things buoyant, even doubloons and gems. When you place the jars side by side, it's easy to see the difference in the density of our solutions.
That sounds like a lot of work. Maybe we should keep our treasure on dry land.
Every pirate needs a treasure. and we can hunt one down using just a magnetic compass and a map.
We can make our own compass. You will need a bowl of water, a cork, a sewing needle, and a strong magnet. Insert your needle into the cork and magnetize the needle's point by running it in one direction over your magnet 30 to 40 times. Float your cork compass needle on the bowl of water. The magnet from our compass will align itself with the north and south poles of the Earth's magnetic field. It sounds like magic, but it's really just science. Shiver me timbers. Once it's magnetized, the needle always points to the north.
Blimey, now it's time to get some treasure. Yar!
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 Let's make a pirate map.
Take a large sheet of paper and sketch out a compass in the bottom corner. This way you will always know which direction is north when you're looking at your map. Next, begin sketching out the area. I used crayon, 1, because it's colorful, and 2, because it doesn't bleed when it gets wet. And this pirate map is about to walk the plank. Pour a full cup of coffee or tea into a large sheet pan and lay your map into the liquid. As it soaks in, the coffee or tea will stain the paper, giving it that aged look. Don't worry if you tear an edge, it adds to the effect. If you'd like variations in color or texture, you can sprinkle coffee grounds right onto the top of the damp paper and let it sit. Then pull your map out and let it dry. This step is a little dangerous, so make sure you have an adult who you trust with fire. Once it's dry, you can let your adult carefully burn the edges of your map so that it looks like it's seen a few pirate fights. The end result? A treasure map that any sea dog worth their salt can use to retrace their steps and claim their booty. The map starts here in the grove. Let's follow it around. Bench 1. Bench 2. Let's check our map. Wait, is that Miss Savannah? And she has a clue for us. Okay, head northwest at the fork in the road and take the brown path. Northwest, brown path. Wait, are we where I think we are? Turn around. Okay. Pirate books and dog treats.
Blow me down, you sniffed out me treasure. Yo ho ho, and a treasure of treats.
Still bored at home? Miss Beth and Miss Savannah have all the best books.
Hi, I'm Savannah from the Gwinnett County Public Library. And if you're bored at home, I have a book recommendation for you. Lint Boy!
Lint Boy and Lint Bear live in their cozy, drier home, carefree and happy, until the day Lint Bear is snatched away by a cruel woman with a vendetta against dolls. Can Lint Boy unite a group of lost dolls to vanquish the villain and save his brother? This magical story is showcased in the stunning, full-color art of this young graphic novel. Lint Boy is a compelling tale of good versus evil that will leave readers spellbound. If you enjoy works such as Coraline or anything by Tim Burton, then this quick and whimsical read will be right up your alley.
So if it sounds like a fun read for you, check it out.
Hi, I'm Miss Beth. Today we're going to talk about Pages and Company, The Book Wanderers by Anna James.
Welcome to Pages and Company. At Pages and Company, you will find Tilly and her grandparents who own the bookstore, and you'll also meet Oscar. Oscar's Tilly's friend who lives across the street. Tilly has found out that she has an unusual talent. She's able to book wander. She can jump into any book that she chooses. This leads Tilly and her friend Oscar on fun and exciting adventures. However, danger may be lurking on the very next page. Secrets are uncovered. Tilly's wondering what happened to her mother all those years ago. Will Tilly find the answer? This is a great book. It's part of a series, and I highly recommend Pages and Company, The Book Wanderers by Anna James.
I hope you'll check out the Book Wanderers, and I hope that you'll enjoy this series as much as I have.
Make sure you check out Mango Languages on the Gwinnett County Public Library's website so that you can learn how to talk like a pirate too. And that's all for this month. I'm Erin with the Gwinnett County Public Library, and we'll see you the next time you get bored at home.
Is the cutest pirate. No, don't take it off.